Unsure if you should be tested for COVID-19? Apple has put together an easy-to-use online self-screening tool for COVID-19 to help evaluate symptoms and get advice for next steps. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to use this free online self-screening tool. Now let's get started. Apple created this self-screening tool in partnership with the U.S. Center for Disease Control and Prevention and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. You can access the tool for free at apple.com/COVID-19. We'll leave this link in the description box below. This page can be opened in any browser. On this page, you can access more information about COVID-19, what you can do, and testing information. To get started with your screening, click Start Screening. You'll then be asked a series of questions about any symptoms you may have, places you've traveled, if you have been in contact with anyone who has been diagnosed with COVID-19, etc. Be sure to think carefully about each question and ensure you're selecting the most accurate answers. After selecting your answer for each question, click Next to move on to the next question. When you're all done, you'll see a result page with information and advice for next steps you should take. Keep in mind that the results and advice provided are just advice and suggestions, so if you're concerned about your health, please do contact your doctor and/or your region's public health center for additional support and guidance. Also remember that whether you have symptoms or not, you should be staying home and social distancing for your own health and safety, as well as that of others. We hope that all of you are staying safe and healthy. Take care. If you're looking for entertainment or things to do while you're stuck at home, be sure to check out some of the other tutorials on our channel. Learn how to get a free trial of Netflix or Disney+, get your groceries delivered through Instacart, video chat with your friends, and more. We'll leave some links to these useful videos in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel for new tech tutorials every Tuesday and Thursday.